Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Help. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve the quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So it's very easy. You can solve any quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So here is couple of example. I'm gonna solve this example, and same way you can solve other problems related to quadratic equation. So let's get started. The first problem is we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, we know that our standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And now, here's the formula of quadratic formula. We can use this to solve the value of x. Now, in this equation, what is our a? So, our a value is 2, our b value is 7, and our c value is plus 6, right? Because when you compare with the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get this. Now using quadratic formula, we have what? X is equal to, we can write x is equal to, what is our negative b? So negative b is 7, so negative 7 plus or minus square root of what? B square. If you see our quadratic form, b square, which is 7 square minus 4 times a is our 2, times c is our 6, over 2a, right? 2a, so 2a is our 2. Now, so our x is gonna be negative 7 plus minus, now 7 square is 49 minus 2 times 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 6 is 48, over 2 times 2 is 4. Now again, negative 7 plus or minus square root what? 49 minus 48 is 1, over 4. Again, x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 1 is 1, over 4. Now we can write this as, because you see plus or minus, that means x supposed to be have two value. So we can solve x is equal to negative 7, we take in the plus 1 over 4, or x is equal to negative 7 minus 1 over 4. So if we solve this, we get x is equal to negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6 over 4, or x is equal to negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8 over 4. Now if we simplified these two, our x values goes to be what? Simplified negative 3 over 2, or x is equal to negative 2, because negative 8 divided by 4 is equal to negative 2. So this is our final answer of our x. You can check by substituting this value in original equation. If that's satisfied, that means our answer is right. Now let's solve the second problem. Second problem, we have 6x squared plus x is equal to 2. Now it's not in the form of a standard, because our standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So to make it in the standard form, we subtract 2 from both sides. Now we get 6x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to what? 0. 2 equal to 0. So this is 0. Because 2 and 2 cancel. Now if you see it, now it looks in the standard form. So here our a value, if we compare with the standard equations, over here our a value is 6, b value is 1, and c value is equal to -2. Now if we get a, p and c value, now we can use quadratic formula. So our quadratic formula is this: x is equal to minus p plus or minus. So now you can write x is equal to, what is our minus b? Minus b means -1 plus or minus square root under 1 square b square minus 4 times a is our what? 6, and c is what? -2 over 2a. 2a is what? 6. Now our x is gonna be -1 plus minus square root 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 6 is 24 times 2, -2 is what? 48. This -2 times negative is plus, it's gonna be 48, like this, over what? 2 times 6 is 12. So next step, x is equal to -1 plus minus the square root under 1 plus 48 is 49 over 12. Now let's get here. So our x value is equal to -1 plus minus square root under 49, which is 7, right, over 12. Now as I said, we have quadratic equation second degree, so supposed to we have two value of x. So you can write x is equal to, one is -1, we take plus 1 times, so plus 7 over 12, or x is equal to -1 minus 7 over 12, right? Let's solve this. So x is equal to -1 plus 7 is +6 over 12, or x is equal to -1 minus -7 is -8 over 12. Let's simplify this. So x gonna be what? 6 times 1, 2, so 1 over 2, or x is gonna equal to what? If we divide by factor of 8 is what? -4 times 2, factor of 12 is 4 times 3, right? So you see this 4 and 4 cancel out, therefore x gonna be 1 over 2, or x gonna be -2 over 3. So this is our final answer. We get x is equal to half, or x is equal to -2 over 3. So in this way you can solve the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. I hope this video is gonna help you, and please go and hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.